Well, hi YouTube. I didn't post a video for some time, so I think it's time to do another video. Man, I'm so bored. I'm so bugged. I'm just installing a new graphics card into my system, and the system I got, you can see it here. It's so totally overcrammed. It's so full, that I had to rearrange the whole system just to fit that card into it. As you can see, I had this hose going out there where now the coolant of the graphics card is, so I had to, unmount my whole water coolant and then rearrange it so that it comes out here and all that crap. There was a time when I enjoyed these things. When I enjoyed rearranging and crafting PCs and stuff like that. But I really hated it. That's menial work. Oh man! But now I finally fitted it into. As you can see, it almost here. This is the hard disk. This is the graphics card. There's virtually no space. So. It's really crap. Always when I replace a part, it grows larger, because the old graphics card I had, this one, it's here, also passively cooled, but you see it wasn't that big. It's 2 centimeters more, and it's these 2 centimeters that just doesn't make it work. I have a small tower. The tower is a very old tower, probably not even designed for such a PC, but man, takes me 2 or 3 hours to fit this thing into, and then hopefully everything works, because I had to dismount the whole PC and rearrange the cables and all. That's not funny, I tell you. That's really not funny, Yeah, it's very messy. When I work, it's always messy. I can't help myself. By the way, this is the new graphics card. It's an Asus 9600 GT GeForce NVIDIA GeForce graphics card. It's also passively cooled. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot, because I have to mount another fan in that case. But we see. Alright, yeah, that's it. And emptied my water tank, so I will fill it up with fresh coolant fluid. So should do this every once in a while, so I took the opportunity to do it now. Yeah, hopefully this thing works again. Well, if I post that video, it's a good indicator, because I need this PC to post the video, so... Well, thanks for watching, and if you have something specific in mind, special video you would like to see, then let me know.